Unbox the Aranet Gateway Pro, the core of your monitoring ecosystem. Inside the package, a gateway, a quick start guide, and wall mount accessories. Simply connect the gateway to power, and you're ready to begin. From the home screen, you can connect in seconds, either via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. On the home screen, once you're connected to the internet, the corresponding icon turns green and shows connected, so you instantly know you're online. It is easy to connect to the Aranet Cloud. With one tap, the gateway generates a QR code and a link with a unique code underneath. Once it's linked, the gateway confirms it immediately with a green check mark. To pair your sensors, open the Sensors menu and tap Add More to start the pairing process. First, select the measurement interval. You can pick 1, 2, 5, or 10 minutes depending on how often you want updates. Then insert the batteries or press the pair button on the sensor, depending on the sensor type. Once a sensor connects, it appears alongside the others with its measurements, ready for monitoring. In just minutes, your gateway is connected and streaming data to the cloud. Place it on a desk or mount it securely on a wall. Step 1. Remove the back disk from the device. Step 2. Fix the back disk to the wall using the included screws. Step 3. Attach the gateway to the mounted disk. Aranet Gateway Pro. Effortless setup, powerful performance, and easy cloud connection.